Hi, you are watching PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to mirror the equipment, rotate and offset the equipment. So first of all we have created this equipment and we want this face mirror image of this face to this face. So just look north side and press F8, go to create copy and mirror, go to cursor element and select the element and then go to object and pick. Pick is when more than one object, so you can use pick command. Here dish and nozzle is two components, so we are using pick command, and we want mirror image on downward direction, so it is here is D, so no need to change. Just apply and press F8 and select this and press escape button and yes, retain, created copy, yes, dismiss. So you can create mirror image of anything by this command. So it is created. If you want to rotate a single equipment, so just go to orientate, rotate, similar as we have learned in previous lesson how to rotate a nozzle. So it is also like this, and we want to rotate in a north direction. We want to rotate in north direction through 90 degree. Just click apply, dismiss. So here it is rotated through 90 degree. Suppose if you want to offset this, so you can select this and just go to create copy offset. If I want 1500 in Y direction, just click apply, retain copy, no, I want 2500, retain copy, yes. So I can create copies like this. If you don't want this cylinder, so just go click this and delete this cylinder. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.